Something weird happened this morning. My home alarm company called me. Our home alarm went off. They told me that we might have an intruder.
Oh yeah. What did you do?
Of course I rushed home right away. When I got there were 2 police cars outside. 4 cops with automatic weapons and 2 canines were about to bust into our front door.
Oh my God. Then what?
I was scared shitless. I hid behind the police car, hoping stray bullets would not find me.
Holy shit. Did they get the intruder?
No. But the cops have done a thorough job searching for any bad guys. All of our bedroom doors have been busted broken. A few walls were burnt by the flash grenades they threw. Luckily, only 2 windows were broken by the cops. Remember the big screen Sony LCD TV I have? Only slightly damaged. Oh, both dogs peed in our house too.
Well, at least no one was hurt. That's the good news.
Yeah, other than the minor collateral damages, SJPD handed me a $375 bill for false alarm. I spoke with my alarm company. They will gladly reimburse 5% of the bill if I can find out how the false alarm was triggered and if that was their fault.
Whoa. That sounds cool. So, have you found out why the alarm was triggered?
I have a theory. I had a bottle of champagne I accidentally left in the freezer overnight. I suspect the bottle expanded somewhat and busted the freezer door open, thus triggering the motion detector.
Interesting. The freezer door was open or closed when you got home?
It was closed.
No fucking way. And the champagne bottle closed the freezer door after it blew it open? Did you buy the champagne from poltergeistsupplies.com? You wanna hear my theories? There was an earthquake in Alaska this morning. That she triggered your alarm.
Let me write this down.
Or, maybe you're farted in the office and it really shook the earth.
Possible. I ate lots of cheese and wine last night.
40 old folks were performing Tai Chi in some shitty park in China. When they leapt into the air and all landed together, they collectively created this vibration that passes through the earth core and shook one of your bathroom windows open, thus trigger the alarm.
I begin to feel like you are mocking me.
One of your neighbors who owns an iPhone 4 gripped it the wrong way.
Stop it.
Your house is haunted.
Shut up.
A flock of Canadian geese landed on your roof, triggered the alarm.
Now you're pissing me off. You can't make fun of the goose man.
I can't believe you are so batshit stupid you think a bottle of champagne in the freezer could trigger the alarm.
Okay. Fine. I learned my lesson. I'm stupid. You are the smart one. I will not say stupid shit like that ever again.
I will consider forgiving you. Now, answer me. Who is the hottest woman in the world?
Megan Fox.
You are forgiven, my good boy. Now go buy me some Grey Goose.